20 ways to overcome fear and doubt to take bold action. Fear and doubt can be crippling, keeping us from taking the action necessary to reach our goals. But they can be overcome with the right mindset and strategies. Here are 20 practical ways to push through fear and self-doubt. 1. Acknowledge your fear. Recognize it without judgment. Naming your fear gives you power over it. 2. Understand the source. Ask yourself what exactly you're afraid of: failure, rejection, or judgment, and why. 3. Visualize success. See yourself succeeding. Visualization builds confidence and trains your brain for action. 4. Break it down. Big tasks feel overwhelming. Break them into small, doable steps. 5. Take the first step. Action cures fear. The first step is always the hardest. Just start. 6. Challenge negative thoughts. Replace "I can't" with "I can learn." Reframe limiting beliefs. 7. Use affirmations. Repeat empowering statements daily. I am capable. I am strong. I take action. 8. Breathe through anxiety. Deep breathing calms the nervous system and clears your mind. 9. Practice mindfulness. Stay in the present. Fear often lives in imagined futures that haven't happened. 10. Embrace failure as feedback. Failure isn't the end, it's a learning tool. Every setback builds resilience. 11. Surround yourself with support. Talk to mentors, friends, or peers who uplift and believe in you. 12. Limit exposure to negativity. Avoid people and environments that breed fear and doubt. 13. Celebrate small wins. Progress builds momentum. Acknowledge every step forward. 14. Build a routine of courage. Consistency kills fear. Practice bravery daily, even in small things. 15. Stay physically active. Exercise boosts confidence, improves mood, and sharpens your mind. 16. Educate yourself. Knowledge reduces uncertainty. Learn more about what you fear. 17. Accept imperfection. You don't need to be perfect, just willing to grow and adapt. 18. Revisit your why. Your purpose gives you strength. Focus on the reasons you must act. 19. Use fear as fuel. Transform fear into motivation. Let it push you, not paralyze you. 20. Keep going. Courage isn't the absence of fear, it's acting despite it. Keep showing up. By practicing these strategies consistently, you'll start to notice a shift. The fears that once seemed massive will shrink as you grow stronger and more confident. Action builds power, and every time you act despite fear, you become more unstoppable. For more information like this, subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this post. Thank you for watching.